Welcome back to the channel. Now in the last video we left the site in Leek as we headed out to our next destination of Manifold Valley. But first we have a quick stop off at Titsworth Reservoir, which is just up the road in Staffordshire.
You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
The reservoir is built on the edge of the Peak District, and as you can imagine it offers many activities including outdoor sports and walking, or if you're just like us, you simply love just watching the wildlife. The Peak District National Park bought this area in the 1980s to safeguard the area from any adverse development. And we spot these little rabbits who are really enjoying being in the sun. We have a quick cup of tea and off we go to the next stop. And after having Harry for 2.5 years, we finally come across the height barrier that's not going to stress Stu out. We are heading to some rocky hills called the Roaches. And Stu gives Harry another scratch mark to polish out to add to the many that we've already got. So, is it free parking? This outcrop is called the Hen Cloud.
Well, I'm out of breath, as you can probably hear. So it's a bit of a steep climb up. It's only a short walk to the top, but it's relatively steep for an old guy like me. You might not be able to hear too well because the wind, I don't know whether it's too windy for the drone. I'm not sure. He'll soon tell me. Truly stunning. And down there was the reservoir we were at earlier, and the Leek is over in the distance where we've stopped for the last 2 days. Ooh. Did it. I did it. So I'm out of breath, that's for certain, but I'm so unfit. But that was a good scramble to the top, and it was worth it, really worth it. Just on the, I guess, the south-west of the Peak District, just north of Leek. I'll put the name of this hill in the video. Jane's down in the van, she's got the easy shift. Time to go down.
We then set off for our final destination of Manifold Valley. The weather has gone overcast and we even managed to get ourselves lost for a while. Now Manifold Valley is tucked away down narrow roads and a tunnel approach from the north, and as such the site can only take small campervans. We did some research and we could see that this site is popular at weekends and in school holidays, and for that very reason we decided to come midweek and not in the school holidays, just so we could find some solitude and a beautiful stream. And we got both, and we could simply open the back doors and just sit and listen to the sound of the water. And it's time for Stu to build an extension onto Harry. In fairness, we've wanted to try out this Kiravan sail awning since we bought it, which was 2.5 years ago. So now seems a good time to try it, especially as there's nobody in the field to witness it. The sail slides along the awning rail as it has a sewn-in beading. The sail isn't cheap, but it's durable and it has a variety of shapes to suit your needs, whether it's raining or you need shade, and I suspect it's something that we will use when we finally make it abroad. I wasn't ridiculing you. It gives you a perfectly good opportunity to try it. And it seems to work. Listen, we'll be glad of this when we're out somewhere in the heat.
We've got to learn to put these things up, otherwise we won't, and it'll take too long.
There you go. In fact, when we're bored, we could play hide and seek. I think in the sun, that will be welcoming.
Yeah, I think the idea for pissing down around on the side, you could take this down.
Do you mean if it's raining very heavy?
Yeah.
Persistent rain.
Persistent rain, it
Yeah.
won't go away.
Yeah. It just lets you have the door open, doesn't it?
It won't go away. Windbreak Assembly Part 2.
Oh God, here we go again, and I'm still having flashbacks from part 1. So, you've built us an extension.
So we don't really need it, but we haven't had this up in earnest. I think we put it once, I think, but not used it. We don't really need it, but we just wanted to try it out to see what it gives us. And I think this thing gives you different ways to put it up. So when we need some shade, we can put it up. I think I would only ever put this up if I'm somewhere for 3 days. I wouldn't bother for a couple of days because we can be in and out of the van, unless it's really hot. We have had this up there fairly
Yeah,
good,
we have, yeah.
But that shields us out of the wind, so
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
it gives us a bit of privacy because we need it, because there's no...
Because
we're absolutely... People are on
it's
top
heaving.
of it.
Stu then sets up a van cleaning service using the stream water. Harry has sticky residue off the trees we were under at our last stop.
So we found a bit of a gem of a site, to be honest. We've set up, as you can see. There's nobody here, but it's lovely. Just peace, quiet, no mobile signal, so work aren't going to get hold of me. I'm not going to get hold of work, so that's temptation's gone.
The facilities are basic with an outdoor sink and clean toilets, but that's all we needed.
Bacon and sausage baps served at the cafe 9 to 10:30, Saturday and Sunday. Number 29. Tea time. Milkshake. Rope swing for the kids. Or unless I feel that campervan life's too much for me. Maybe parking. Perhaps that's the way to go. Okay, Jane, so what have we got for tonight's tea? Looks lovely.
Halloumi.
Halloumi and salad.
Well done. Potatoes.
Potatoes, boiled potatoes, and in butter. Looks very nice. Nice and easy.
Yep. Just tell me why you're fretting.
I'm not fretting. No, I'm not fretting.
What have you just said to me?
No, well, we haven't had the awning out overnight, so it'll be interesting to see.
So you're worried? You've just been going through your head.
I've just done a security check. I've gone round the grounds.
And you're worried about what's going to happen?
No, if the wind picks up.
You've just gone through the list of how you're going to put it away in the middle of the night.
Yeah. That'll be on that'll be another exclusive episode. That'll be.
Don't wake me up to film it.
What?
You look like a man who has no tech.
You're the one who suffers. Look, you're the one who's got the bloody thing in your hand.
You've got your pyjamas ready for bed and it's 7:30 because we've got no tech.
I'm going to read a book.
We've got no signal. You're going to try and read a book.
Yeah.
That's good.
I've got a book to read.
That's good.
I'm going to listen to the sound of the stream out the back.
But you just look very uncomfortable. Like you don't know what to do with yourself.
I'm fine. I could do some video editing.
That's tech.
So I have got tech. I just choose not to be using it at the moment.
No.
You can watch a film. We've also learned there's a headless horseman in the region, apparently, according to legend has it. Thor's Cave, 2 miles down the road. Apparently he comes up on a white horse when he's upset. I don't know whether upset him.
Oh, you sounded just like the horse then.
So yeah, that's it.
Okay, headless horseman and no awnings in the morning.
No warnings.
No awnings.
If the awning goes, you'll go over the top of Harry.
Okay.
I'll hear it. Don't trust me. I'll hear it when he goes.
Don't trust you. Okay. So join us on our next video where we explore a giant's cave. We are invaded by a giant pumpkin. We hide in a tunnel. And Stu solves the mystery of the dry riverbed.